Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into why the Amazon Basics Wireless Ergonomic Computer Mouse is the best wireless ergonomic mouse you can get your hands on. Whether you're working long hours at a desk, hopping between meetings, or simply want a reliable and comfortable mouse for daily use, this one deserves your attention. Let's get started by looking at the overall design. Right out of the box, the Amazon Basics wireless mouse feels ergonomic and thoughtfully contoured. It's designed to fit naturally in your hand, reducing strain during long periods of use. This compact mouse measures just about 4.1 by 2.9 by 1.5 inches, making it a highly portable option if you need to move between workspaces or take it on the go with a laptop. The matte black finish gives it a sleek, minimalist look that easily blends in with any desktop setup, be it professional or casual. And the build? It's sturdy without being bulky, which adds to the comfort during extended use. Now, let's talk connectivity. This mouse uses a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, which means you're getting a stable and reliable link between your mouse and device. The range? An impressive 33 feet. That gives you the flexibility to control your system from across the room if needed, perfect for presentations or home entertainment setups. What's more, this mouse is compatible with a wide range of devices. It works seamlessly with Windows 7, 8, and 10 PCs, as well as laptops and even Macs. So no matter your system, you're likely covered. Security might not be the first thing you think of with a mouse, but Amazon Basics didn't overlook it. This model features a ES-128 encryption, which helps protect the data that travels between the mouse and your computer. That's a level of thoughtfulness you don't always see in this price range. Speaking of performance, this is an optical mouse, and the DPI is adjustable. That means you can fine-tune the sensitivity depending on your workflow. Whether you're navigating large spreadsheets, doing detailed graphic work, or simply browsing the web, the adjustable DPI ensures that your cursor moves just how you want it to. Now let's talk value. This mouse delivers all of these features: ergonomics, security, strong wireless connectivity, and compatibility, for a budget-friendly price. It's part of the Amazon Basics line, which means it focuses on core performance without the frills, but also without compromise. Shipping-wise, even if you're located outside the US, such as in India, the mouse is available for international delivery, and often ships quickly, another big plus for remote professionals or frequent travelers. To wrap it up, the Amazon Basics Wireless Ergonomic Mouse is a solid performer for office work, daily browsing, and light productivity tasks. Its design focuses on comfort and simplicity, while still delivering the functionality that matters most. For its price, this mouse stands tall among competitors, and that's why we're calling it the best wireless ergonomic mouse available today. If you're in the market for a mouse that's reliable, easy to use, and built for long-term comfort, this one is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a review. See you in the next video.